Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Dasha, and this is just a peek of our lives as digital nomads here in Bali.
That's just what I was gonna say. Well, welcome to our channel, guys, and today we're gonna check out a waterfall. I love the waterfalls here in Bali.
Yeah, me too.
This one has been on our list for way too long. I know I'm pretty pumped. Are you?
Yeah, I am.
All right, let's get it. First things first, we have to pack. Okay, I think this is how it works. Ah, no, hang on. There we go. Oh, look, the bed's made. Okay, are you ready to go?
Steady, yeah.
Okay, let's get it. We made it! Woo! We made it to the waterfall! How good! No, but seriously, guys, we are on our way to the waterfall.
What do you expect from this waterfall, actually?
Water falling. Yeah, that's what I expect.
That's genius, as always.
Yeah. Look at this empty parking lot. So, what we forgot to mention earlier is that there are no tourists here right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we're completely on our own, and it's the middle of the day. Normally, this would be packed. So we decided to come here kind of to show you what Bali is like when there's no tourists. And it's
very unique moment. Actually.
Yeah, it's a very unique moment in history. I don't think many people have been able to experience it like this. Normally you'd have to get up at 6 in the morning to come here and be on your own. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe there's going to be someone down there, but we haven't seen a single person. We hope you enjoy it, guys. We are the only ones here, not a soul in sight. And it's the middle of the day in normally high tourist season.
Your hours?
Yeah.
What time is it?
The middle of the day, obviously. And just like that, we're back at our guest house. Bit of film magic there for you. Guys, if you are gonna go to this place, you probably won't be alone, so remember to go early. Okay.
Yeah, I think we should mention that we were lucky enough to be alone there, but it's just because of these circumstances. But
yeah,
a tip for you is to go as early as possible. Yeah.
Yeah, and if you do need to find the place, we're obviously have all the information linked down below. We're also on Instagram at Nomad with us, so please follow us there. Okay. Anything else?
Enjoy, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for nomading with us. Okay. Bye bye.